See? Ooh, there's a castle there. I think it's a castle. Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang dala namin. Ito mga gadgets, ito camera, diaper bag ni Ana, yung bag ko, ito mga damit namin, mga pangligo and all that. Yung mga damit ni Ruth, ipalalagay pa namin sa suitcase niya. Yan kay Ana, mga toys ni Ana, itong bike, electric fan. Yeah. So, not to mention yung ibang gamit pa ni Ana, pero ando na sa caravan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung camper van na tutulugan namin. Yeah. So, naghihintay na lang ako kila Ruth. Pipick upin niya ako. Si Ana ando na sa sa sasakyan ng parents niya. So yeah, everything's set. I hope wala akong nakalimutan. Bakasyon na po kami. 2 weeks po kaming bakasyon. 3 weeks yung bakasyon ni Mister, pero yung last week sa bahay lang kami or siguro magda-drive lang somewhere close. And yeah, excited kami. Super excited si Ruth kasi wala po siyang bakasyon since last year. Although pumunta siyang Pilipinas nung nanganak ako, pero hindi naman yun bakasyon, oy. Ano man yun? Nasa bahay lang kami. O nasa apartment kasi nga lockdown that time, and then I gave birth, and yeah, of course he had to help out with the baby. And at the same time nagtatrabaho po siya that time, work from home siya ba. So yeah, ngayon lang talaga siya makakapagbakasyon yung para mag-relax siya and go somewhere. So excited din ako. So yeah, kita-kita na lang tayo sa sa daan. Hindi ako sure po kung makakapag-vlog ako everyday. I think hindi everyday kasi sa phone lang po ako nagva-vlog, and then hindi na hindi na masyado malaki yung memory ba. So when I vlog, I need to edit right away and then upload so I can delete them. Ganun. So yeah. Excited ako. Yeah, see you. Kita-kita sa bakasyon namin. I hope you're all having a nice day.
Van de wedstrijd van de Oranje Leeuwinnen tegen Brazilië, die net is begonnen. En een man uit Capella aan de IJssel is in het ziekenhuis overleden nadat hij gisteravond werd neergeschoten toen hij zijn hond uitliet. Toen hij hierop geschoten. Dichtbij werd een brandende auto gevonden. Wordt onderzocht of die er iets mee te maken heeft. Het Radio 10 is er.
Goedemorgen! Yung campsite namin. Really nice view here. That. See? Ooh, there's a castle there. I think it's a castle or... Gusto ni Ana when it's winter.
Nee, die kun je wel warm maken. Je wilt worstbroodje?
Nee, dankjewel.
Ja, leuk.
See? Really nice. Oh, nagsiswimming sila. Andito lang ako. Chill lang ako dito. Ganda ng view today. Ang ganda ng weather. Andun yung yung sa amin. Ana! Gusto ni Ana, andun ako. Hi! Ana! Good morning! It's day 3 sa aming bakasyon and we just woke up. Doon ako natulog sa taas. Oh, nasa loob kami ng camper. Yan. Medyo magulo po dito, no? Kasi ang liit ng space. Tas 4 kaming malaking, mga adults. Tas isang bata, isang aso. Dito natulog si Ruth tsaka si Ana. Ito yung seats na pwedeng gawing panghigaan. Tas, yeah, yan. Yung mga gamit namin nagkalit. Ito siya, siyang closet yan. And then this one, CR to siya, pero di namin ginagamit. Yan, yung ref yan, dyan. Ito siya, yung mga cupboards dito. Dito. And then yung driver's seat. Dun. And open the door, pangga. Wala tagilakan sa ibang papa. Open na. Wow. Ada? The view is nice. Yeah. Yan, yung view namin.
Hey, Sana.
Dito yung, sunrise kanina. Maganda yung colors. So, yeah. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda. May farm field doon. Yung, may mga cows na dadaan dyan. Parang parade. Tapos yan. Maraming nagka-camp dito. Yan. Isang sa terrain A yan. Nasa B kami. Yeah. Yeah. So, first time namin ni Ana na sumama sa camping. Talaga yung natulog ba? Talaga kami with them. Yun yung tent. Doon natulog si Oh, matulog kami dyan. I think tonight bababay si Ruth. Da. And here's Ana. Maaga nagpupo. Makikita niyo yung village doon, Nasa mountain, nasa hills kasi kami. I'm not sure if you can see it properly, but may church dyan. Yeah. Really nice here. So, later today, pupunta kaming Deutschland. Punta kaming Germany later. Senna! Hi, Senna! Hello, Senna! Hi. Senna's not happy. Not happy, Senna is neat blind.
She's used to that.
Upo muna kami ni Ana. Ganda kasi ng view. It's so nice. I think it rained last night, yeah?
Yeah, it will.
So, yeah, mag-prepare lang kami, no? Breakfast kami and then prepare na for later. Hello, Ana. Hello. Papunta na kaming Germany. Yeah. Autotag Deutschland. Yeah. So, inaayos pa nila yung namin sa likod kasi magdadala kami ng stroller. So, kita-kita na lang doon later. Punta pala kami ng Munschau sa Germany. So, hello! Nandito na kami sa Munschau. Oh, it's okay. I'm taking a video. Okay. That's okay. Yes, moy. So, andito kami. Last week po, binaha dito ng sobra. So, yeah. But now, okay naman. Open na for tourism. So, let me show you the bridge. Ito. Yeah. Interesting yung mga dito building. Is here. She's awake. So nice, huh? We're in Germany. Anna. Hi, Anna. Hello. There's Honey. I'm already tanned, very tanned.
Hier is Miss Vlogger G. Munschau. oma, opa, the dog.
Oh wow, mooi.
That's with Christmas. That's how it looks with Christmas.
I can hear the water.
You just had a coffee and a waffle. And Anna had some cookies, eh?
Yeah.
She's a little bit full now. She's relaxing. An old church for this, I think.
Oh mooi. Oh you can. Oh, na mooi. You can stand on the bridge.
Here, somebody's standing here for a long time. Get it.
So, papasok kami sa church. Oh, I don't think I can go in. We have to wear a mask.
I have masks, but only 15 people at the same time.
Clothes. Our love is just chilling. We're just gonna walk around some more. Maganda yung town na to. I really like the atmosphere. So, ayan, dito pa rin kami sa Monchao. Nasa ano sila? They're across the street. Checking the display sa shop. So, it's a good thing that it's not so crowded today. So, alam nyo naman, stricto pa rin dito. So, this is a popular tourist attraction, but it's not so busy today. So, we're lucky. And then, weather's also nice. So, sobrang lucky namin. So, maglakad-lakad pa rin kami na doon si Ruth. So, alis na kami. Ang ganda ng lugar na to. Gusto ni Ruth bumalik sa winter. Nasa parking na po kami. This is the last stop and then we're going back to the campsite. Yeah. Thank you. Ang ganda nun, oh. Yung nasa background ba? Para siyang castle na maliit. So, we're still in Belgium. I like that there are so many flowers. Ganda, oh. And then we're gonna go home. And we're going back to the campsite. There's Honey! Ang ganda dito. Hello, we're back to the campsite. And yeah, we had a nice day in Monschau in Germany, and also in a small town in Belgium. So yeah, it was a fun day. We're lucky that we had really nice weather. So yeah, yun lang muna yung vlog natin for today. I'm not sure if I can vlog tomorrow, but we'll try. Yeah, yun lang, and I hope you're having a nice day. Yun lang yung vlog. Mush mush babush. Bye Dodong. Bye Anna. Doy doy. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Babush mush mush.